Hey, good morning, everybody. It's the third day of official back to online school, and I just wanted to say good morning to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. I wish I was in the classroom with you, but we are making the best of things. So I just wanted to show you a couple things. This is the calendar, and if you want to have a video conference with me, please sign up. I'm available every day from 8 to 3. If you want to get a group of people together, that's fine. I'm fairly open. So I'm available these hours if you want to do some sort of Zoom or whatever means of video conferencing you're using. I'm open, I'm easy. So let me know if you want to do that. If you are in my world history class, I'm hoping you are already on my Google Classroom. Now, I transferred everything from Moodle to Classroom, and here's the class code. And what I'm looking for you to do are three things for the next 7 weeks. And number one is to watch the end of class videos. So, for example, we left off class in the Age of Revolutions with the French Revolution. And every day you can see, here, for example, I'll just use the Mexican Revolution, even though we're past it. So every day there's an end of class video, and right here, and it's a synopsis of the day. So I'm going to ask you to start with the French Revolution that we didn't get to, day 111, and there's about 50 of them, and watch the videos and keep a journal. Now, another thing that I'm going to ask you to do is when you get to the end of the units, when you naturally get to the end of watching those videos, there is a Kahoot. I'm going to ask you to do the Kahoot until you get them all right and then send me a picture, either through Google Classroom or email, and that's what I'm going to ask you to do. And then the last thing I want you to do is this big 100, which was going to be our history. And I'm going to ask you to create something that you understand what all 100 words are. So just to wrap up, if you're in my history class, I'm asking you to watch the videos, the end of class videos, do the Kahoots, and do the big history. That's three. Those are three assignments, trying to keep it simple for you. And in terms of attendance, I'm asking you just to correspond with me some way, somehow, okay, whether that's through Google Classroom, whether you want to email me, that's fine. Whether you want to text me, I'm just looking for some correspondence. Now, if you are in my philosophy class, fairly similar. I moved the Moodle page to a Google Classroom. There's the class code. And similar to what the history students are doing, I'm asking you to watch the video starting with lesson 22, okay, which is in the ethics unit. Okay, where are you, ethics? There's aesthetics, there's ethics. Okay, so we ended off with lesson 22. I'm going to ask you to watch the videos and do the Kahoot at the very, very end, which is in the final exam study guide. So if you can do those two things, and similar to the history students, please correspond with me in some way, whether that be email, whether that be text, whether that be through Google Classroom. That's what I'm going to ask you to do. And again, I'm available to help in any way, to talk in any way. And if there's a classmate that is not on here, and I'm looking at as it's the third day, but I'd still like more people. So there's only 57 students in the history, and there are 12 students in the philosophy. Now, in the philosophy class, there's only 19 students, so we're close. 12 out of 19, I'm going to be contacting those 7. History, the 57, we need a lot more. So if you notice you have a friend or a classmate that's not on there, if you could remind them, I'm going to do the same thing, send emails out. So that's what's going on in terms of class, and I hope everybody's doing okay. Please contact me again if I can be of any service, and hope everybody's having a good day. So good luck with all this online education, and I'll see you all come September. Okay, bye-bye.